Hey guys, Garden-ish. I'm about to show you something really fun that we get to do this weekend. It may not be garden related, but it's definitely ish related. All right, let's see how good of a digger I am.
Okay. You on level then shoot. I'm getting tired. 똑같은 질투. 더 높이 올라와. 공기도 달라. So high. I don't see you. You talking digits. Yeah, I kill it. mean I spit like a villain. Ratata. It's getting more than enough. 못 매력 없는 너.
Okay, so I'm going to take a pause because the church across the street is having the dedication of the children's library box out in their parking lot. So I'm going to give them a few minutes to do their thing. Okay, so what you just saw me do there was I used these because I have PVC pipe that I'm working with. It's Schedule 40, which is a little more expensive, a little heavier duty, but it's what I've got and it's what I started with, and I'm just continuing that. Anyway, you use your cleaner, go around, that's the purple stuff, and then you use your cement. It's PVC cement. You go around the edge with that, and then you stick it in and let it set. So that's why I put that little bit of dirt underneath there. It's going to act as like a bridge for that long pipe, since I've got that. I think it's a 10-foot section of pipe, 10-foot stick. So yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. I actually did a lot better than I thought I would on this long stretch. So I'm gonna tell you what. You rent one of these things, you'll pick it up like that. Anyway. Hey guys, 2 days later, finally I can get you on video and show you what we did with this machine in the background, this mini excavator. Everything got finished up. It of course rained all weekend. I did not touch the machine yesterday. Nick did the final grading on everything that he possibly could before it started getting so muddy that there was nothing else we could do with it, and he worked on some other stuff in the back lot. So let me turn you around here and just show you a quick little snippet of what got accomplished and how much better off our property is. Here we go. Here it is. There's a leftover pipe. All of this has been smoothed out. It gets a little rough down here just because we could only extend so far with the arm on the mini. So there's a clean out there. There's a clean out there. The new pipe is everything in between there. So pretty excited to have a septic system that's working again. Anyway, I just hope everyone is having a great day, great evening, whatever it is. It got chilly on us after that rain came through. It is now 35 degrees on a Monday morning. So yeah, everyone stay safe. We obviously stayed safe this weekend while we were doing all this stuff, and he did a great job finishing up what I started. All right, we make a great team. I hope everyone has a great day and a great night, and be safe. I'll see you on the next one.